about to know funny about how my funny is about beds. Please like to my channel, please subscribe to my channel, and please turn the bell on for notification when you this come out. As you told me to build this set, we just opened bag number 1. So let's get started. Okay, so step 1. Step 1 is to take this piece, which is the only piece that looks like that. Then take 2 of these pieces. Okay. Zip on up, and it looks like it's on this side, right? This way. Zip on up. And then, is it this piece? No, it's not that piece. It looks like this and this combined together. Hold on. It's not that. It's gotta be. This is this piece. Oh, yes, it is. Yeah, no, because that piece, this piece was in the middle of it. Okay. So these 2 pieces goes this way. That goes out. And then this one goes on the same side, but the opposite side. Okay? So that's what you need to have so far. I'll put that there. Now, we need 3 of these pieces, so these 3 yellow pieces are stuff. Come on. We need 1 of these yellow pieces. And 1 of these gray pieces. Okay, so this gray piece, yeah. Put you this there. There. Right? And you take this piece. Sorry. Take this piece. Wait. There. Okay. The yellow is there. Then you put this piece. There. Is that correct? That is correct. See these pieces? You put them right there. So that is step number 3. Step 4, you need this piece. You need 2 more of these. I think it's the last 2. But this 1 more, you know? There's that. And then you need one of these pieces. Yes, you need 2 of those, my mistake. And you need this piece. this looks like it goes in right in the middle, which is weird. Like so, and then these two on the side of them like this. Looks like it goes like that. I guess that's how it goes. Yep, that's right. And then here. Yeah. And this one goes here. Yes. And then that goes, where does that go? Oh, it goes like that. Of course it does. Okay. So that's what you want so far. And that's step 4. Step 5. Need one of these. Alright, I'm gonna go quick with the next couple steps, okay? So, bear with me. that's not right. Should be stable. How do they? The heck? Gotta be one smaller than this. Oh, this is then. Well, this is the wrong one. No way, it looks like it is like this, like this way. But then this doesn't make any sense. Cause what the heck am I doing wrong? No, I'm doing correct. I don't understand. Looks like that is smaller than this piece. Yeah, it is smaller. It's weird. This is the only piece it comes with. Then this is too long. I don't know. I think that no, that's the only piece. No, this is the smallest. And that's the only piece it came with. But how is it like this? Like, it's supposed to be like this. It's supposed to be like this. And how? Please let me see how this is quiet to my show. Please turn about on for notification for new videos come out. How is this supposed to be like this? 3 years old to this set. Alright, but how and how? I don't understand. I don't understand. Like, it's supposed to be like this. Like this. But then, how does this piece get, is this supposed to be divided? Is this supposed to be like that? It doesn't show that in the picture. That makes no sense. It doesn't show this in the picture. Ding picture. You should show this. This is the only way I can figure out. Wait. Hold on. If this doesn't come out right, I'm gonna scream my head off. I'm going to. Because